Good morning, everyone. Today, we will learn how to fit a binomial distribution. First of all, we have to determine the value of small p and q, that is, probability of success and probability of failure. There is a difference between small n and capital N in the fitting of binomial distribution. Small n is number of trials in an experiment, and capital N is total number of trials in all the experiments. Then we will find the probability of all possible number of successes coming out of a given experiment. This is the steps of fitting. First, we will determine the value of P and Q. Then we will find the probability of all possible number of successes coming out of a given experiment. Then we will multiply the probabilities by capital N, and the result will require expected frequencies. Let's take an example. We are given 4 coins were tossed 160 times and the following results are obtained. And we have to fit a binomial distribution under the assumption that coins are unbiased. First, we will determine the value of P and Q. Here, 4 coins are tossed 160 times, and in this question, number of heads are given. So, probability of success, that is, head, will be 1 by 2, and Q will be 1 minus P, that is 1 by 2. Second, we will determine uh, there is a difference between small n and capital N. In this question, you can see that small n is number of trials in experiment, that is 4, and capital N is total number of trial, that is 4 coins are tossed 160 times. Capital N will be 160. Then we will find the probability of all possible number of successes coming out of a given experiment. We know the formula of binomial distribution, that is NCR PR Q N minus R. On the basis of this formula, we will find this probability. Here number of heads are 0, then 4C0, 1 by 2, 4, 1 by 2 raised to the power 0. And if number of heads is 1, then 4C1, that is NCR, 1 by 2 raised to the power 3, 1 by 2 raised to the power 1, and so on. And last, we will multiply these probabilities by capital N, and the result will require expected frequencies like this. Answers of binomial distribution will be multiplied by capital N, that is 160, to find out the expected frequencies. This is all about fitting of binomial distribution.